He's looking like a big pimp, man. All right, so let's go ahead and check our work. We just did the odd ones, so we're gonna go around the classroom now and just kind of talk about number one, number three, number five, and so on. So from number one, we had this equation over here, and this should be the final answer on number one. If you work, make sure that's what you ended up getting out of this. For number three, we did that one together. We did 4 and 1, and -2 and 7. All right, Juan Moreno, what do we call this when you pull off these numbers off the side? What's that term? That's called the common difference. Over here it's +6. Over here it's -6. Jose, how do I make a slope out of +6 and -6? What should I do here to make that slope? Yeah, I should divide. So I'm going to take a +6 divided by a -6 to get that -1. My coordinate point stays the same, so y minus 1 is -1 times x minus 4. Good deal. Let's go on to number 5. All right, so number 5 gives us -2, -5. It gives us 4 and -1. All right, so let's talk about the common difference. Mr. Mauricio, what's the common difference of x? And how would we find the slope? If I have a 4 and a 6 here, how would I find that slope? Yeah, very good. We're going to put the 4 on the top and the 6 on the bottom. What did you get when you got that? Okay, and what was that number? Yeah, 2/3. That'll work. All right, so here is your slope, m igual 2/3. And here's my point, -2, -5. So here's all three things that you need. Coordinate point with x and y, and a slope. That's it. So we're going to take our coordinate point and our slope and say y minus -5 equals 2/3 times x minus -2. All right, Miss Brisa, how can I fix this? Here. Yes, very good. So y plus 5 equals 2/3. And then how do you finish it, Miss Brisa? What's this last one? Hmm? Perfect. Awesome. All right, so there's number 5. Let's look at number 7. Number 7, so they tell us that f of -4 is -5. They also tell us that f of 2 is -3. Okay, aquí están mis puntos. So we got -4 and -5. We've got 2 and -3. All right, so here is your x. And I knew that was going to be my x because normally we see f of x. So in this case, x has been replaced, sustituir x con 4 y con 2. So x está aquí. So aquí está mi 4 y mi 2. Y luego dice y igual 5 negativo. O negativo 3. So aquí y pone una negativo 5 o pone 3 negativo. Aquí, en y. All right, la diferencia. Okay. So Miss Vanessa, help us out. What is the difference between -4 and +2? What's the total distance? Yeah, very good. That's 6. Positivo, negativo. Muy bien. All right. And Maria, over here we have -5 to -3. How do we get there? +2. Perfect. So Maria, what would you put as your slope? 2 over 6. That's exactly right. All right, so 2 over 6. Miss Tanya, 2 entre 6. ¿Qué es eso? 1 sobre 3. Muy bien, muy bien. All right, so here's my first coordinate point. -4, -5. Here's my slope. Is 1 over 3. Very, very, very good. So when we go to write our equation, we have y minus minus 4 equals 1/3 times x minus minus 4. Okay, so Jose, how do I fix this? Y plus 5 equals. Is x plus what? Okay. All right, guys. So this was number 7. Let's tackle number 9. All right, number 9. It says it's going to give you 2 different points, and they want you to write the equation of a line. Okay, so we're going to have -3 and 4 and 3 and 0. Miss Linda, ¿qué es la common difference? E and Y. 4, negativo, positivo. Ok, so 4 y luego 0. ¿Es más grande o menor? 4 a 3 y 2 y 1 y 0. Más grande, más pequeño. Ok, so negativo. 4 menos 4 es 0. ¿Está bien? Cool. All right, Miss Tatiana. I have -3 and I have a +3. So, ¿qué es la distancia aquí? 3 negativo a 3 positivo. Mira aquí, está 0, está 3 negativo y 3 positivo. ¿Qué es la distancia? Gracias. Tatiana, ¿qué piensas? Muy bien. ¿Es 6 positivo o negativo? Okay. ¿Qué piensas? ¿Es ok? En este ejemplo, negativo aquí y luego positivo. So, aquí, ¿es positivo o negativo? Positivo, muy bien. All right, Janie, what's the Yeah, -4 over 6. Help me reduce this fraction, Janie. What's the smallest possible terms? Yeah, so -2 and a +3. Very good. And then we'll use this point right here, -3 and 4. So we have our point and we have our slope, and that's what we call it, point slope. So we're going to have y minus 4 equals -2/3 times x minus minus 3. Mr. Jacob, how do I fix this equation? Write it as a final answer. Menos, igual, -3. Awesome. Okay, minus and minus. Okay, minus times minus. Let's do a sine triangle over here. Yeah, if we use a minus and a minus, it's going to get us that positive. We're going to say x plus to finish it out. Cool? All right, that'll do it. So that's number 9. Let's talk number 11. All right, so now we need to talk if the line is parallel or perpendicular. All right, remember, parallel lines. What do we know about their slope? Parallel lines, what do we know about their slopes? They're the same, very good. Same slope. So that's the most basic one. You just look for the same number in front of x. No challenge there. The challenge comes in when we talk perpendicular. The slopes are going to be opposite. Reciprocal. Opposite, reciprocal. All right. So the whole thing is done by slopes. So let's talk about A first. Equation A says 4y minus 12x is 20. Ok, primero resuelve esta ecuación por y. Aquí es mi objetivo. Más 2. Okay, plus 12x on both sides. Like this. Look how I'm stacking everything, guys. That's the important part here. So now we have 4y. This is 0. Copia, copia, copia. Karen, what would you do last to solve this out? To solve for y? Yeah, that's the one I want to solve for. How do I get rid of that 4? Yeah, just divide. Go. All right, so we have y equals 5 plus 3x. This was line A. Another way to write this is y equals 3x plus 5. Línea A dice y igual a 3x más 5. Ok, línea B. Línea B dice 3y equals negative x plus 2. We're almost done with this review, guys. We're almost done. What step could I take here to solve this one out? Divide by 3. Y equals negative 1 over 3x plus 2/3. There's line B. Line C is already done for you. La respuesta, line C, it's already done. You just say y equals 3x minus 1. Minus 1. All right. So C, and here's B. All right, so what did we say about parallel lines? What do we know about their slopes? They're side by side, they're equal, they're the same. All right, so which two lines are parallel? Which two lines are parallel here? This is equation A, this is equation C, and this is equation B. A and C. A and C are parallel. Paralelo. Porque son mismos. No, muy bien. Porque 3 y 3. So, están paralelo. All right. So, parallel. Parallel lines are A and C. And Antonio told us that this was true because they have the same slope. All right, let's talk through perpendicular lines. Yeah, we just need to get us through half of a one quiz. Just half of a one quiz is what we're doing. All right, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines. Opposite, reciprocal. This means that if you have a slope that is 3, the opposite is negative 3, and the reciprocal is negative 1 over 3. So pones tu slope en una fracción. Y cambio signo. So en primero, este es positivo 3. Positivo 3. Opposite. Positivo y luego negativo. Dice opposite. Aquí luego dice reciprocal. Reciprocal means cambio, flip, fracción. Una fracción. Aquí 3 está 1 sobre 3. Reciprocal dice pone una fracción. Y oposito dice positivo o negativo. Son dos cosas. Mira aquí en A o C y luego en B. Son perpendicular. ¿Por qué? Why are these two lines, C and B, why are they perpendicular? Yeah? Yeah? Because it's opposite reciprocal. We take the 3, we make it negative, and we make a fraction. So that's the two things that you need. So the two lines that are perpendicular are B and A, B and C. Those are all perpendicular to each other. We got one more to do, and then we'll take our second break. One more. All right. Dice hora, oh no, segundos. En distancia. En miles. All right. En mi lista tengo 1, 4, 7, 10, 3. All right. 5, 20, 35, 50, 65. Ok, la pregunta dice, ¿es una línea? ¿Sí o no? Es una línea. Y no sé, porque necesitas una common difference. We have to have a common difference to make this a line. So either we have a common difference or we don't. It's just a yes or no question. Cool. So 1 to 4 plus 3. 4 to 7 plus 3. 7 to 10 plus 3. And in the very last step, 10 to 13 plus 3. So here on the top, we have a common difference in x. That looks good. That's good. On the bottom, from 5 to 20, that's 15. 20 to 35 is another 15. Another 15. And another 15. Muy bien, muy bien. So let's write a model. Let's write an equation for this. M igual. Go ahead and write your slope down, okay? We're going to do cambio y sobre cambio x. Y over x. All right, guys, write your slope real quick. What's your slope going to have to be here now that we did all this good stuff? All right, write it down. There's no more. once you get that slope number, go ahead and show me. Alright guys, our y value was 15, and on the bottom we had 3. So, Mr. LCL, what was your slope in this equation? Alright, very good. So m equals 5. Alright, let's take this equation right here, this point right here. This point, 1, 5, and let's take your slope of 5. And we're going to put it into our equation. So Eric, this is the point right here. This is where you want to get to. We've got a y value. We've got an x value. We've got a slope. That's all you need. That's it. All you need to do is put it into the equation. You have y minus some number is n times x minus some number. So your slope is always m. Your y is going to be red in this one. Your x is going to be yellow. You're going to take the numbers and match them into the colors that they need to go into. So here's the short one. You can already see that one. That was pretty easy. So y minus 5 equals 5 times x minus 1. Ok, so mi respuesta aquí es una función por esta situación. Distancia en space. Okay. So, last step. Let's make sure we did it right. You're going to pick one other coordinate point. One more coordinate point. And this coordinate point will be 420. Okay? So. Okay. So, here, our coordinate point is 14. We're going to have to put that into x and y. Okay? So we have an x and y of 4 and 20. I'm going to highlight this again for you. All right, like this. Okay. So when we put it in our equation, we're going to say 4 minus 5 equals 5 times 20 minus 1. So over here is 19 times 5, and over here is negative 1. Is that true or false? True. Okay, so we think that 5 times 20, which is 100, 100 is equal to negative 1? Oh, no. You can try another one. So we got y minus 35 equals 5. All right, let's try this out. All right, so 35 minus 5. What's 35 minus 5? 30, very good. Let's do the other side. 7 minus 1, 6. What is 6 times 5? Good. True or false? True. All right, so we got it to come out. That means that we are going to accept this as our answer. That looks good. So that was number 12. All right, guys, I'm going to take up your 5 cents. Anything? And then we'll do, we're on break right now. We got 3 minutes. So if you want to send out another cent, we got